Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 best berries to grow in containers. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, let's go to the list. Number 1. Strawberries. Best containers for strawberry plants. Whether you choose a hanging basket, specialized strawberry pot, plastic pot, or clay or ceramic planter, the container must have adequate drainage. It should also be at least 8 inches deep and 10 inches wide. Although strawberry plants have compact root balls, they do not like to be crowded. Number 2. Mulberries. Planted mulberries in containers about 24 inches wide and deep. Repot plants every year or two as necessary to keep trees from becoming root-bound. Water the potting mixture thoroughly and set the container aside to drain until the potting mixture is evenly moist but not dripping. Number 3. Black currants. Black currants can be planted in the container. For this, choose a large container of 45 to 50 centimeters in diameter. Before planting, check that there is a drainage hole on the surface. Cover the drainage hole with a broken clay pot or concrete. Number 4. Blueberries. Mature blueberries need a container at least 24 inches deep and about 24 to 30 inches wide. When planting smaller shrubs, start with a smaller container and repot as it grows. Repot in late summer, early fall so roots have enough time to grow before winter. Don't expect to harvest blueberries the first year. Number 5. Raspberries. When you start growing raspberries in containers, you want to select a container at least 24 inches in diameter. If the container isn't big enough, the plants are not likely to flourish. In addition, their cold hardiness diminishes and the plants might be killed by cool weather that wouldn't impact canes planted in bigger pots. Number 6. Blackberries. To grow blackberries in containers, start from a bare root or a live potted plant. Place in a container that is at least 5 gallons. Use high-quality, sandy loam soil that is slightly acidic. Plant when the canes are dormant in early spring. Growing blackberries in containers is quite easy, but many beginners make some common mistakes. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.